OPPO Watch X3 and Li Auto have collaborated again on a customized version. As a Li Auto L9 owner, let's take a look at this customized OPPO Watch X3 and see what fun connections it has with the car. The color is oak grey. OPPO watches have collaborated with Li Auto before, and as a first-generation Li Auto L9 owner, I've always really liked this product. So this time, let's see what customizations the X3 has with Li Auto, and some features I particularly like. Wow! The charger's metallic grey body, project grey bamboo pattern strap, titanium alloy case, and 12-sided high-gloss bezel color scheme match my white interior quite well. The power on, power off, and charging animations all feature the legendary Li Auto logo. The down button has been changed to a one-click access to the Li Auto Red interface, and the Li Auto app has the highest privileges on this watch, always running in the background. Next, let's look at the customized Li Auto watch face. Long press to personalize it. First, there are 3 components to edit. On the left, you can select its pure electric range. On the right, you can select its fuel range. Below, there's the Li Auto logo. We can also change it to other things, such as daily activities, heart rate, health, and weather. This is for adjusting the components. The second is adjusting the color. Currently, it's a purple two-tone, but there are also green two-tone, black, and brown options. The third is the style. You can adjust whether the watch face is black or white. I think this is excellent. One car can be bound to one owner and 2 family members. The whole family can use the 4G watch as a car key, which is very practical for families with multiple car owners. After wearing it for a while, I found the experience of not feeling the black hands is really better because this watch has 4 independent connection chips specifically responsible for communicating with the vehicle, without needing to connect to the internet or look at the Li Auto app. You don't even need to carry your phone. Just walk to the car and the door unlocks automatically when you're about a meter away from the handle. I have a 2022 model of the original L9, and using an iPhone key was sometimes really inconvenient. But with the X3, even in the rain or when you're carrying things, the experience is really great. The watch senses the vehicle, and the screen automatically pops up the Li Auto exclusive quick panel. You don't need to manually search for the app. In the summer, if the car has been sitting in the sun all afternoon, just raise your wrist and tap it before getting in to quickly cool it down. By the time you walk to the car, it's already cool. If you can't find your car in the parking lot, tap the horn to find it. In narrow parking spaces, just use the watch to open the door and summon the driver to move the car. Turn on the air conditioning, raise and lower the windows, open the battery, open the trunk. All these functions we use every day can be done with just a tap of the wrist. So, leaving aside the Li Auto customized features, the OPPO watch. As OPPO's flagship smartwatch, the X3 weighs only 43 grams, making it almost weightless on the wrist. Its 3000 nit LTPO screen is clearly visible even under bright sunlight, and the controls are easy to read. The 632 mAh battery lasts 4 to 5 days on a single charge in full function mode and can almost last 2 weeks in long-lasting mode. It also excels in health and fitness features, offering a 60-second health check to quickly assess health, blood oxygen, heart rate, and sleep, along with hundreds of sports modes. Incidentally, it supports not only 16 car manufacturers including Li Auto, BYD, XPeng, and others, but also a dozen car keys, essentially a single watch that functions as a dozen car keys. The customization between Li Auto and OPPO has always been deep, and I believe the OPPO Watch X3 Li Auto Edition is an essential smartwatch for Li Auto owners. It truly enhances the daily driving experience, which is what smart devices should be like.